So this is part 2 of the video we just did because apparently our phone overheated. Go figure. It's so hot even the phones don't want to work. Alright, so there was no queen in that hive, so she either came to this hive or she just decided, well, I'm too old and I'm dead. So we're going to take a look in here and see what we got in here. Alright, so this is going to sit here for now. What's going on in here? Maybe a scraper.
This is what we've been experiencing the last few days. Small amounts of bearding that by the end of the day usually amounts to about a baseball size of bees. So, but with phones overheating, you can imagine that bees probably will too.
Alright. So, a lot of bees up here, that's good.
Yeah, that's a good sign. Lots of bees means lots of activity, and lots of activity means lots of honey.
Alright. Now, as you can see, we don't use gloves. None of that nonsense.
Nope, just kindness.
Now, mind you, you probably still will get stung from time to time. It's part of life.
His first experience was swatting at what he thought was a mosquito. It turned out to be a bee.
I'm going to start at this side because I can't get into this other side yet.
Yeah, too
Too
crowded.
many bees. So, this one is the one the queen ruined on us. We're just waiting for them babies to hatch and, well, hopefully become workers up here. Same thing on that side. Our queen was unhappy and decided, well, you know what, there's some space up there. Let's go use it. Careful, Mr. Bees. I'm sorry. Sometimes you cannot help but squish the odd bee. It happens. You just try not to piss them off too much. And everything is hunky-dory.
Usually.
Usually. So these are completely empty.
And it looks like there's littlest bits of nectar starting in the bottom for what they can probably collect.
And really hot, so they might have actually used some of it.
Yep, that's possible.
Alright, let's check this one. Oh, this one's a bit heavier. So this one, they are actually capping.
Yep, filling. Lots of glistening on that side.
So that's that one. Let's check the next one. Alright, so this one doesn't have much. We'll just leave that. It's just a starter. Now this one.
It's really full of bees. Watch your underfinger there.
Yeah, there's a lot of bees on this one.
A lot of honey.
A lot of honey. It smells delicious. Now,
That is gorgeous.
yeah, they're capping that side off.
Yep. Nice full frame. Just waiting on capping.
That smells really good.
Mm-hmm.
Watch out, Mr. Bees. Mrs. Bees. There you go. Okay, so this last frame here. Try to get everyone out of my way there. There we go. Alright.
Same thing on this one. So full and glistening.
Yup. And we're capping off the tops.
Oh, so beautiful.
Smells nice.
Smells delicious. There's still the littlest bit of brood on the bottom of that one, but
Yep.
probably another couple weeks and they'll have all hatched out.
So this one here, it should have dropped off for us soon, I hope. Alright, so now we gotta check the queen at the bottom. See how things are doing down there.
Was that a chicken or a kid?
That was a chicken.
Okay.
Oh,
The chickens just make noises sometimes that are very much like the sounds our children make when they find a way of hurting themselves.
Alright, let's see.
You can never be sure.
My things are looking down here.
Careful. Oh, it's just... Here.
No, they're good. They're all coming through.
There's a bunch that are squished at the bottom.
No, they're not squished. They're coming through.
No, down here. I'm
Oh.
telling you. I'm watching them, poor little things.
Alright, so.
Oh, there's a couple big queen cells on that side too.
Yeah, this is the one we left, I think.
Yep. Nice big full one
Oh,
right
no.
there.
That's a different one.
Yeah, there's two of them. One under them there too.
Yeah.
And these are how they make their queens. With their fascinating different structures.
So we're gonna see. I don't see the queen on there.
No, I don't see anything looking like the queen. Do a quick inspection of the excluder here.
Okay, so they're not on this one. Let's check this one.
Queen or drone on this side? Maybe we might flip it over.
That's a drone.
There's quite a few drones.
Yep, lots of drones.
They must just be waiting for the queen to hatch, maybe.
Well, the queen might have died. She was old when we got her.
Second year with our queen, and it was already a nice, healthy, fully established hive when we got it. It was a birthday present last year.
Yeah, lots of queen cells. Lots of drone.
A couple more queen cups on this side. No queen in sight though. Lots of larvae. Oh, it's dripping out on the other side, baby.
Yeah, there's a couple big queen
Watch your
cells
foot.
over there.
I'm not sure what that is. It's either queen or drone.
Where?
Right by your foot, left foot. Guess your foot. You have two.
Yep. Alright, well, I don't see her on there. She might either be out on a mating trip or she might have died. She was old. But this queen cup here has a larva in it.
Yeah.
That queen cup there, it has a larva in it, yeah. So, they are making queens.
Yeah, so they're definitely...
So the queen must be gone, or she's just...
getting to that
Getting to that
stage where
stage.
she's not breeding as much, she's not producing as many
But I don't see her.
eggs. They feel she might need to be retired. Or she's just gone.
Yeah, I don't see her in there anywhere.
That we get large amounts of drones, so when
This
our new
one-
queens hatch, they'll definitely have themselves some fellas.
Yeah, this one here.
Oh, this queen cell over here is just about ready.
Yeah.
Oh, it is very large. The amount of larvae in there. I'm sure the camera can catch all that, but
I think we'll leave that queen, let her hatch. She'll kill off any others that are in there.
yep, she'll take her rightful place as the queen.
I think it was this one. Yeah, this one's got a whole bunch of drone. There's a queen cup there, queen cup there.
Queen cups on this side.
There is quite a few. They're not building swarm queens, they're building emergency queens.
Yep, so they...
Emergency queens are ones that they build in the middle here,
yeah.
like the ones up at the top
Right
there.
up here.
So I'm assuming she probably died. But everyone is doing very well, nobody is left. So we're just gonna let everyone do their thing, unless she's on the excluder, but
I checked it before but she's easy to miss when she's covered in bees sometimes, so always better to check and recheck if possible.
I don't see her. So they are building the queens, but there's a lot of drones. They're ready for her. Now, just wait. I think the queen might have just died. It's quite possible.
Very, very possible.
Come on, guys. There. So, we'll end the video there and post another update in a week or so. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.